Alright guys, back here just to tell you guys that, as you guys know, when I make reviews and stuff, I always want to have some kind of way for the company that I bash to redeem itself. And in this case, we're going to see if the aeroscout Mini's motor at least is good enough to be used. We know that the whole thing together, right? The whole thing as one big thing all at once, right? The whole package is garbage. But, well, and again, garbage compared to what you can buy these days at lower prices from other manufacturers. But what about, you know, the sum of the whole parts, right? Basically, whatever. I don't know. Me and math. I just don't even know how to talk. But anyway, this time we have this nice little motor put in place, and we'll see if it can redeem itself. It'd be cool if it did.
Likey